Thanks very much for sharing with us those ideas. Let's get a move on into stocks that we'll be focusing on in trade. And India's largest private sector mortgage financer, HDFC, is certainly in focus on the back of that mega 14,000 crore rupee QIP. Let's get all the details regarding the pricing and more from Varun, who joins in with that perspective. Varun, morning.
Okay, two fundraisings that we'd like to bring to your attention: Axis Bank and HDFC. Now, Axis Bank opened their QIP book 2 days ago. That was an ET Now exclusive. The amount finally has still not been disclosed, but we believe it's to the tune of 10,000 crore plus additional preferential allotment to certain investors. Now, what we've learned is that the QIP saw 3x oversubscription, 3x the total demand for shares that was slated in the issue. So, really strong response from investors. What's even more exciting is the names you're hearing of. You're hearing of the likes of a Nomura Asset Management, the likes of a Fidelity, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. So all the marquee names coming in and lining up for this issue. And it really looks now at this point that seeing 3x oversubscription, there's going to be no issues whatsoever closing that out. The price we already know is going to be 420 rupees a share if you factor in that 5% discount to the floor price that was offered of 442. Now, coming down to HDFC, they last night opened up their book, a 14,000 crore book. Now, it's a hybrid book, so it's a little different. It's 10,000 crore of straight equity issue. 4,000 crore will be warrants at a price of 2,165 that will have a tenure of around 3 years. So that's how the 14,000 crore comes together for them. The floor price for the balance 10,000 crore, the fresh equity, is 1,838 rupees per share, if I'm not mistaken. So if you take a 5% discount to that, which is the norm, you get a price of around 1,760 rupees per share. That's fairly positive for HDFC. In addition to this, and this is HDFC Limited, in addition to this, they'll be doing 9,000 crores via NCDs. So they're really topping up their capital on all available fronts. And with these two put together, plus IndusInd, which was just announced last week, and if ICICI joins the table, you're looking at a solid $5 billion figure that could be raised in the next 10 days.